Welcome everybody to Rakers Home Group Unplugged. This is our initial episode where we're going to talk all things that we do at the Rakers Home Group here at Heron Real Estate. Well, whether it's from our podcast, our social media content, or just helping customers, we're going to reach out and tell you everything we got going on and kind of give you the grid a little bit about what we do. But today, I've got a special guest. We're going to meet the team, and today we're going to meet Bridget Hodges. So, hey, Bridget.
Hello, hi.
Good. So tell me what really brought you and made you decide to be a part of the Rakers Home Group.
I mean, right off the bat, you can tell Rakers Home Group, it is so family oriented, which is something that I personally love because as a realtor, I think some people might have misconceptions, but the Rakers Home Group, it definitely, we're there for you as people, right? We want to make this a really amazing experience and you have so much support. Like you're working with the whole team and not just one person. So
it's great to hear.
That's my favorite.
Now you come from the investment world. You've got a lot of experience and knowledge in that. And I think that's awesome. So I'm really happy to have you on the team with that. But what's making that transition for you to general real estate? What's one of the biggest things for you for that?
Yeah, I mean, investing obviously is wonderful. Jacksonville is a hidden gem, I want to say, of Florida. It has so much to offer. Not only did I want to help that with investors, because I still want to do that, but I want to expand that to people, young families, older couples that, just really want to make Jacksonville their home or kind of switch it up a little bit. And so I wanted to expand my horizon that way and again, help the city.
Well, that's amazing. I look forward to all the things that you're going to be doing for all of us. You can see her and listen to her on our podcast. She's probably going to be on the one that's coming up Monday when we're doing recordings. I'm going to tell you, that is so much fun. And if you haven't listened to it yet, listen to it. And the social media content that you just started doing, it looks great. I'm excited for all that as well. So if you want to know more about Bridget, by all means, reach out to her. You can go to rakershomegroup.com or check out Real Estate UnRaked, our podcast. You can listen to her and all the things she has to say, or give her a call. But thanks, Bridget, for coming on the show. And we look forward to seeing all the future things that we're all going to do together.
It's going to be amazing. Call us.
Yes. All right. Thanks, everybody, for tuning in. We'll talk to you soon.